Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Bilal Fariski Kurniawan. Currently in this meeting, I will be your teacher that will describe about text procedure. Sebelumnya udah ada yang pernah dengar belum tentang have you guys already know about this text procedure? I will give you 10 seconds for you to think about text procedure. Okay, have you guys already have an idea about text procedure? Okay, let's next to the next slide. Okay, the definition of the text procedure itself is a text that is designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence or of action or steps. Text procedure explain how people perform different processes in sequence of steps. A procedure text is a text that explain how people make or do something step by step. Jadi text procedure itu adalah sebuah teks yang didesain untuk menjelaskan sesuatu melalui aksi atau langkah-langkah. Jadi sesuatu bukanlah teks prosedur apabila ia tidak memiliki langkah-langkah dalam pengerjaannya, langkah-langkah atau action. A text procedure is a text that describes something with action or steps. I think you guys already understand about the definition itself. Nah, and the next is the function. When we Bilal, what is the function of the text procedure? Why we should learn text procedure? The text procedure itself is to tell the reader. To tell the reader how to make something. For example, when you want to make a noodle, of course you have to tell the step and reaction, not only just make the noodle. No, just simple like that. It need then describe more detail. Like first prepare the water, prepare the noodle, for example. It's like that. Is that and then the function is number 2 is to show the instruction to make something. It like inform the pupil, the reader, or instruct like if you want to make a noodle, please follow my instruction, gitu kan. So it's the main function of the text procedure. And then the last function of the text procedure itself is to tell the reader how to make something. Like I said before, when we want to inform the reader, when we want to tell the reader how to make something of, it is a text procedure. It's the function itself. I hope you guys already understand. If you still not understand, you can chat me, and then we have language feature in text procedure. Like I said before, it's instruct people to do something, ya. Of course we have imperative sentence atau kalimat perintah. Jadi in the text procedure we have to using imperative sentence. Jadi langsung gitu. For example, add 2 spoons of sugar into the glass and then stir well. After that, wait for 10 minutes. And then the noun phrases is, for example, thick layers, ground peanuts, and tight nuts. I a tight knot. And then in the text procedure, in the language features, it has adverb of manner. For example, tightly, well, thoroughly, and then using temporal conjunction like first, second, third, then, next, after that, and finally. Jadi so it is has the step berurutan itu, sort by it action. Okay, and then is when we want to talk about the text procedure, we need to know about the generic structure of the text procedure itself. Of course, we have to know the aim or goal or title. When we want to make a text procedure, we have to know first about the aim or the goal or the title. Like when we want to tell the student, and we want to talk to the student or the reader to make something, but we don't know about the aim or the goal, of course it's not possible, right? Of course we have to know the aim, the goal, or the title first, and the function is to describe the steps or methods taken to complete the objective in the title. So when we want to we want to make a text procedure, of course we have to when we need to propose, we have to insert the aim, the goal, or the title, and then the second is the materials or the ingredients. When we want to talk about the text procedure, we have to know the materials or the ingredients that we need to make something. This section is usually states what material or tools are used to make something. Okay, and then the next structure is the steps of the methods. Like I said before, a temporal conjunction. It has first, second, third, just like that, and after that finally gitu kan. The section is usually describe the step or method taken to complete the objective in the title. Okay, we already know, and now we already know about the generic structure. Okay, let's move to the example of the implementation of the example of the text procedure itself. The title is how to make orange juice. It is the aim. The aim is to make orange juice. The title is how to make orange juice. So it is clear the text procedure. It's in this text procedure. It tell the reader to how to make an orange juice, kan. And then it is clear that it is the aim, goal of the title. Okay, and then in the generic structureness is the ingredients. The ingredients is the orange, water, and sugar. Yeah, it's something like that. It is the ingredients that we need to prepare to make the orange juice. And then the step of procedure of the metode gitu kan. The step like wash the orange in the running water thoroughly, and then cut them in half horizontally. Squeeze each half of orange by your hand using an orange juice, something like that, and then finally the orange juice is ready to serve. Okay, the next is it is the example of the how to make an orange juice. It is the implementation of the orange juice. Like we need to prepare the ingredients first. For example, orange, cutting boards, pitchers, knife, juicer. When we want to tell the reader, it is possible to add and more detail. Like we can add some images that made it more clear for the reader. Jadi kita bisa menyiapkan gambar dalam text procedure gitu kan. Misalkan, for example, we add some picture like this. Kita menyiapkan sebuah gambar gitu kan. Jadi dia lebih jelas dan lebih so the reader will will gain the more comprehensive understanding of the of the aim of the goals on the text procedure. Like in the step 1, prepare the orange juice. And like first peel the orange and cut them in half using knife use cutting board. It is the picture of the orange being cut them in half using knife to cut. So it is possible to insert or add more detail like in text procedure like. And then step 2, juice the orange to diperas itu kan jawabnya. And next place them halves of the orange onto the juicer, press down firmly to extract the juice for it. And and finally, and the step 5, serve and enjoy. Finally, serve the orange juice immediately over ice if desired. Enjoy your refreshing and nutrition homemade orange juice. Okay. Actually, I want you guys to read it by yourself. But in this online section, I think it's not possible, yeah, for doing something like that. Okay. We can move to the another example of the text procedure lah. Okay. Can you guys see this clearly? Okay. I think you guys already seeing this clearly, yeah. It is do you think this is the right one of the text procedure? So I will give you some time to analyze ada yang salah nggak dalam text procedure ini gitu kan. Oke. The title, the image, it is already true or not gitu kan. Oke, time's up ya. I will explain ini. But I hope you guys already know the wrong one or ada yang bisa menganalisa bagian yang salah gitu kan. In the title, how to drive a car, it is right or not? Of course it is right. It is tell the reader to make how to drive a car. The tools itself is okay, the section of the tools is it is right. Yes, it is right. It is a car. Of course, we need a car keys that have a remote. Of course, we can drive a car without a car key, right? And then driving license. Of course, we have to obey the traffic, gitu kan. Okay. And then the step is first. Do you think the steps it is already in right steps or not? I think not ya, because it is nggak beraturan gitu. For example, it is first park the car and lock it with car remote off. The aim is how to drive a car. Why we have to lock it with the car remote? Of course, we have to open the car gitu. After that, shift into first gear, not third. It is right, because when we want to driving, especially in a manual one, we have to shift from the neutral to the first gear. When somehow we have to shift into the reverse gear, but it is already clear. And then pressing the clutch coupling to change the gear, release them slowly after you shift the gear. It is right, because in the manual one we have to press the clutch pedal to change the gear. Okay. And the next is a second, accelerated smoothly to obey the traffic light. Okay, it is right actually, but the sort is not on the right one. I think it is showed in the step 2 because it's already stated that it is second. Okay, and the third is press the gas tuh kan. Of course it is right. and then finally press the caps remote to unlock the door. It is wrong one because it is should be in the one step. It is step one. And then another things that I haven't mentioned, ada yang belum saya ini belum. Kalian bisa can you guys something that I haven't described? Okay. Actually, is this clearly stated in this image? Yeah, it is not relevant with the aim how to drive a car. Like accelerated smoothly in this is it is it is speeding one, apa ngebut gitu nggak boleh kayak begini ininya artinya. So when we want to make a text procedure, of course we have to make a relevant one with the example. And then the two person staring at each other, it is not relevant. It is not relevant with the how to drive a car. Like we should not communicate each other like this when we driving a car. Okay, I think you guys already understand. Okay, it is the quiz time. Okay. Okay. Please open your phone or laptop or tablet. You can type or paste the scan this link below to access the quiz. We have to make sure the understanding of this material. Okay, let's skip to the next slide. Yeah. I think I will add more exercise like you guys. I will make an assignment for you guys to make an assignment to make a text procedure about your hobbies. Like I like to play, for example, I like to play basketball. Okay, like, and then the text procedure will be more likely how to service, misalkan how to dribble, for example, gitu kan. Another one, for example, I like to drawing, for example, and then the text procedure will be more likely how to draw a cat, for example. It is possible for you guys to make various types of text procedure based on your hobbies. Okay, I think if my instruction is not clear enough, you can ask in more detail, or by chatting me on the WhatsApp or the X of the WhatsApp group. Yeah. Okay. Nah, and then we have reached the conclusion. The conclusion of this material is a text procedure is a set instruction that guides you through a specific task to step by step. Text procedure tells you what to do in the correct order to achieve the desired outcome. These instructions are usually found in manuals, recipes, or guides, and they help you complete tasks effectively and efficiently. Okay, I think it is the conclusion of this material. Hope you guys already understand. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next meeting.